Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Development channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to automatically flag important emails in Outlook using Power Automate. If your inbox is constantly overflowing, this automation will make sure you never miss an important message again. So let's get started. So our main goal for this video is to automatically flag an email using Power Automate. So this steps or this procedure is very easy. So click on create, then firstly log into your Power Automate, then click on create, then click here, that's automated cloud flow. Then let's give a name for this flow, that's flagged email. Then let's search for this trigger when an email arrives. Okay, when an email arrives, that's V3, then click on create. Then let's add this trigger, that's flag an email. Then let's choose flag email V2. Then with the message ID, let's choose a message ID. You click here, then click here, that's see more. Then let's choose message ID. Then you can add, then also this original mailbox address. If you want to, you can add an email that any message from this email will get flagged. So we are done. Then you click on save, then you click on test, click on manually, then also click on test. So I'll leave you so that press your own. Goodbye.